Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to mute or no call ID in WhatsApp call. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are fairly new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is head over to your WhatsApp. So I'm going to simply click on my WhatsApp right here. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on these three dots from the top. Then go to settings. Then go to privacy. Then you have to simply scroll down all the way down and go to calls. At this point here, what you need to do is to simply turn on this button. Silent or no callers, call from unknown numbers will be silent and they will still be shown in the calls tab and in your notification. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.